What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome to each and every one of me viewers and subscribers. Now guys, in this video, what me go talk about? We go talk about the woman that was unalive in a Jamaica, down a Montego Bay. And I'm going to say a few things that many people may not like. Many people may not like or want to hear what I have to say. In other words, what I have to say. I see a person yesterday post something, and that person was saying that, hold on a little bit guys, hold on a little bit, let me see if I find it first. Yes guys, you know say me I drive, but me have to pay attention to the road, but I go read something to you. A lady write yesterday, she writes something. This is what she writes. She writes, "Dear American ladies, please be careful about getting romantically involved with Jamaican men online through messengers and social media." She said, including some Jamaican man, don't let accent, sweet talk, love bombing, and online attention swept you off your feet. You know, I hear me? She says some of them are extremely violent. That's where she says some of them is extremely violent, and she not telling no lie. She not telling any lie. Some of them will sweep you off your feet quickly. Yes, Jamaicans, when it comes on to words, we as Jamaicans are very unique. We very dangerous when it comes on to putting words together. I mean, I tell you no lie. The lady also said, issues the news outlet describe the way you need to hear it, but on another level, I know so it go. It sounds like a relationship gone bad, but a relationship gone bad, but what kind of relationship gone bad? And I'm going to take a moment and send you somewhere. On the Spot News Media. On the Spot News Media is a channel, YouTube channel that I watch. And if On the Spot News Media have something and I would like to use it, I would send him an email, and I said, ask him question to use his video. You may talk a little bit like him too? Yes. Because I respect how On the Spot do him thing. So, I'm going to allow you to listen to what On the Spot have to say about this situation. Then I'm going to make my piece after you listen to what On the Spot have to say. So right now, listen to what On the Spot have to say.
International/local story, because it's an international person that got unalived locally. Yeah man, we are talking about the case surrounding this foreign national, Melissa Samn, said to be from Queens Village in New York City in the United States of America. By now, many of you, the regular ones and ones, them would have already learned that she lost her life whilst visiting her husband in Jamaica. She came to celebrate her birthday. Now, she lost her life to the hands of her husband, where it is stated that he beat her to a pulp, carried her to the hospital and left her in a wheelchair, and she lost her life whilst undergoing treatment. The criminal element in question is presently on your screen and has since been identified as Dane Anthony Watson. He's still on the run. He's originally from Ocherius in St. Ann, but moved to Mobile St. James around 2 years ago. He frequents parts of St. Mary and also Portland. And as I stated earlier, he's still on the run. And he is most definitely wanted for questioning in relation to the loss of life of his wife in St. James. Now, whole heap of people in them feelings. I say, boy, that's why woman must come to Jamaica, come married no Jamaican man because the man them this and the man them that. Whilst that may be true about some Jamaican men, you are also to be mindful that the women don't come to Jamaica and go look at trying man like a little farmer man, a man we're selling at the market, a man we have him like a small business and is on the come up. Them come Jamaica and come get themselves involved with certain men. Now in this particular relationship, they met online. Bing, 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 bing. Isn't that sending off an alarm in your head? And if that was not enough to send off the alarm, look on the picture of the husband. Look on how he posed for the picture. Now the pose with the telephone signal and ears. What is that stating? What type of person you think that criminal element really is? Yes, you heard it right. Yeah, man. He is a scammer. Yeah, man. The streets definitely start talk the whole business now. So it's not just no little regular meet and greet online dating and we just exchange a few words and fell in love. No, 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 no. The scammer man spending money and so she end up come married him. Yeah, man. So she visiting Jamaica back and forth was not because she just want to come see Huzzy. Yes, little of the tele business in it too, yes. But the major factor of the visits is to transport illicit funds for the criminal element. The streets attack every God Almighty thing right now. And you don't know, say on the spot news media have him ears Pandora grung. Yeah, man. So this is a developing story. And on the spot news media is continuing to do his investigation to see if we can unearth exactly what really led to the fatality of Melissa. So the story is not as simple as how it looks or how mainstream media brought it across. There is way more to this story than what actually meets the eye. Boy, me I tell you my peeps, the thing rough, but anyway, make we continue.
Some people wanna hear what on the spot news media have to say about the situation. Before me going at the video, go on over on the spot. Go watch on the spot news channel. You get all the information you want over there. Everything, all the news, both home and abroad. In other words, both Jamaica and foreign. All the news have something to do with Jamaicans. Yeah, man, go on over there. Go check him out. Guys, let me say this to you all. You see? Many of you out there, with all myself, sometimes we say the man this, the man that. But listen me good. some of these situations, turn out to be a situation that when we really know the meat of the matter, we shame, because guess what happened? This man, where this woman take up, is a known scammer. Is a known scammer. And check this out. Maybe this woman never know same is a scammer until you just hear where and the spot said she start to be the person who bringing down the money from America. So it's not like she is innocent. My viewers and subscribers, what is this world coming to? Now, this woman have her husband in a Jamaica, coming to Jamaica to have a nice birthday with her husband. Guys, don't know what happened. This thing is for a second. This lady coming to Jamaica to have a nice time with her husband, only to know that something goes wrong between both of them and the husband. Can you think about this? You have your husband in any country and you're going to go and visit him for your birthday. And when you get everything ready, get yourself ready, get yourself organized, go to visit your husband in that other country, only to know that you and your husband get into an altercation and your husband beat you that bad that you have to go, well, not go, your husband and somebody else bring you to the hospital and leave you there, leave you in a chair, only to know that the chair that you were in, sitting down in, you was already unalive. My viewers and subscribers, it also said that this person, this is not this person first rodeo of unaliving somebody. My viewers and subscribers, this is getting from bad to worse. This is getting from bad to worse. Ladies, it doesn't matter if you come from America or England or Canada. Wherever you come from in this world, take time to know them. And as a matter of fact, even when you take time to know a man or a woman, you don't know when them go switch and turn on that malicious destruction of your body. Brother, I go tell you something. I saw the thing, and to be honest with you, listen me good. I am a man who defend woman to the uttermost part of this world. But for some reason, when I saw this case of this woman died and this man take this woman to the hospital and put her, I didn't make any video. If you all notice, I did not make a video because I said, hold on a little bit. Something not adding up. I said it. I said something is not adding up. I don't know what, but I know something wasn't adding up. Only to know by listening to my fellow co-worker on the Spot News Media, because he's on the ground, he have people and he have everything on the ground, and the street is talking. Now this man is on the run. This man is wanted for the unaliving of his wife. They also said this man also frequent where me come from. Lord Jesus have mercy. This man feature Montego Bay, Portland, where the Portland, and somewhere else. Now, I'm not going to tell you if you see him call the police. It's up to you if you want to see him and call the police. But remember, approach him with caution. Or as a matter of fact, don't approach him. My viewers and subscribers, this is not normal though. This is not normal. This is a serious situation. My thing is, if he was a scammer and she was the one who is bringing down the money to Jamaica, that means she was the one who was picking up the money. Or if not picking up the money, she was the one who the money was going to. My viewers and subscribers, that's why them say, them have a saying for say. Sometimes you will leave people business alone. Yes, them have a saying for say sometimes, many times, you will leave people business alone, because sometimes when you take up people business, that is what is the outcome. Because I hear the sister was talking, and the sister was shedding some light on the situation of the girl. However, there is other things coming up right now where needs to be addressed. Because if she was involved with him and knew about his scamming, what could have gone wrong? What could have gone wrong why he unalive her and just bring her to the hospital and put her down like, and leave her there in the chair without telling anybody that she's there? It's only that when they see her, when they see the person, they realize, oh, we need to address this person. Only to know when they go address this person, bending over, this person wasn't breathing. Guys, that's the information I get. As a matter of fact, that's what they were saying on the news. Don't come for me. But it's a sticky situation. It's a serious situation. It's not a good situation for anybody. Yeah, it's not a good situation for nobody. Whether if it doesn't matter what you do, how you do it, you have no right to take nobody's life. No right to take no one's lives. That's where I have a problem. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I was just going to briefly talk about this situation. So I will see you in our next video. And remember, go over On The Spot News Media. Go get all the information where you have over there. And as soon as him get new information, he will get it. So, on the behalf of me, myself, and the Real Talk Massive, big up on yourself.